Well, theoretically, it is spring. Theoretically, we should be getting to all these wonderful activities. Of course, Keeneland starts tomorrow. The Legends are starting tonight. Thursday Night Live starts tonight in Lexington. This is from our 21C Museum Hotel WeatherBug camera. Why do we put the camera there? For this very reason, so we can show you all the good stuff going on there at Thursday Night Live. What a great view we're going to have. There will be times we will be out doing the weather live from there. This is not one of those days, though, so for the folks out there, it's obviously a jacket. You're in the shade, and you get in the shade. It may be 50 degrees. It feels like 50 degrees when you're out of the sun. When you're in the sun today, it didn't feel so bad. But things will be changing. MaxTrack Live Doppler, 4:05, not much goes on. We have a winter storm watch. That winter storm watch for tomorrow night and Saturday morning covers just about the entire area. The counties, the two counties bordering Virginia, the two counties coming up from Tennessee. Those are the exceptions. So Somerset, London, you're not included. Hazard, you're not included in the watch, but anywhere from there north is. So what are we talking about with this? What to expect? Rain will start, and it starts as rain. That'll be late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Colder air is going to be plowing into this tomorrow night, and the cold air source from this is record-breaking. This is an exceedingly unusual air mass, almost unprecedented, what we have been looking at for an April batch of cold air. Rain will be changing to a heavy, wet snow tomorrow night. The timing of that cold air plowing in with the most moisture around, that is critical. What we're going to look at across the watch area, we'll go with a 1 to 4 as a kind of a general amount. There may be some folks, though, that are going, what are you talking about with all this snow? And may not get much of anything at all. That, especially the more west you go out of this. Bottom line is it's still 24 to 36 hours out. We've got a lot of time to watch this. It is complex, but we're, again, trying to start narrowing things down for you. And you get an inch of snow in April, that's already top 10 territory. Not as cold for us tonight, although it still will be cold. Friday night, Saturday, winter takes another shot at us, and the 8-day spring is going to actually try and make an appearance. It was cold last night. That is a hard, killing freeze. Mid-20s for most last night, including the 25 Lexington, Mount Sterling, as well as Richmond and Moorhead. When we're talking our high temperatures, normally we would be running in the low and mid-60s. Well, yesterday, that was actually 12:01 last night, or night before last. The closest we get tomorrow is upper 50s. Look at the cold coming in, though, for the weekend into the first part of next week. So here's the setup. There's the leading edge of the bitterly cold air, and this could be record-breaking April cold for the northern tier of the nation. The wave of low pressure to the south, this is all critical. So we roll then into tomorrow morning, everything's fine. Your day begins with some sunshine. We roll to the latter part of the afternoon. The front's getting close to the Ohio River. Rain is breaking out. As the cold air comes in, by the hours around midnight, we are transitioning to snow. You notice the deeper moisture is beginning to pull away as the colder air comes in. Yes, I think we do see accumulating snow. The question will end up being how much as we start your day on Saturday. And by late in the day, the sun should be coming out, but boy, it is going to be getting cold. For tonight, increasing clouds, we're in the upper 30s. Tomorrow, it's upper 50s. Some sun, but the clouds thicken. Rain will be arriving late in the day. That rain changes to snow tomorrow night and Saturday. For the bluegrass stakes themselves, there should be nothing falling out of the sky. It's just going to be a really cold day, and we have a little rain snow possibility again on Monday.
Yeah, it's going to be cold out there. This is just, you know, it's kind of tough for this weekend. It's too bad. There's so much going on, so much people want to be a part of, and you still can. You just got to bundle up.
Exactly. You got it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I took my Christmas lights down.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of